Welcome to Teramax Compostable Ag Films User Guide. This guide will take about 5 minutes to complete and is designed to show you best practice for storing and using Teramax compostable films. At Teramax, we make a range of certified compostable films for all sorts of applications in agriculture and horticulture. Our purpose in life, the reason we exist, is to take plastic out of farming. The Teramax team has over 30 years of combined experience in using polymer films in agriculture and horticulture across Australia, the US, and China. We have worked across pretty much every crop you can imagine being grown under film, from horticulture crops like tomatoes, capsicums, and melons, to broadacre row crops like cotton, corn, and hemp. We've seen the waste and damage caused by plastic, and so all of our products are fully compostable and 100% safe for your soils and the worms and microorganisms that live in them. Teramax compostable films react to heat, UV light, water, and oxygen, as well as the microorganisms in the soil to break down into harmless compounds including CO2, biomass, and water. It's not just us saying this. Our films have undergone rigorous testing by TÜV in Austria and have earned the highest global certification for compostability, the OK Home Compost mark. You will see this mark in every roll of Teramax film. OK Home Compost is the highest level of compostability available. To earn this mark, the film must break down into natural substances in the lab within 90 days under normal conditions with no artificial heat or other forces applied to it. It must also prove to be safe to soil, microorganisms, and worms. The test is designed to mimic natural farm conditions. Does this mean that Teramax film disappears in 90 days on farm? No, it doesn't. Obviously, the tests are conducted under controlled conditions without the variabilities that exist on farm. Also, the tests are performed with a standard 10 micron film, and the film on farm may often be 15 or even 20 micron thick, and thicker films will degrade more slowly. Each location has a range of variables as well, including heat, UV light, rainfall, plant cover, and soil types. All of these influence degradation time. In practice, Teramax films break down gradually over time, and it will vary slightly according to sunlight, temperature, moisture, plant cover, and soil type. In the early stages of the crop cycle, it will be indistinguishable from plastic. During the plant growth, it will remain intact and resilient, retaining moisture and preventing weed growth. During plant maturity and harvest, the film will become brittle and some small holes and splits may appear. By this time, the plant is fully established and close to harvest. Post-harvest, the film is generally brittle and falling apart. At this stage, it can be disked in and remaining fragments will disappear as the soil microbes go to work. Using Teramax film is very similar to using plastic mulch, and you should notice very few differences to what you do now. However, there are a few best practices to observe which will ensure that you have the best experience when storing and using Teramax film. Click the Complete and Continue button to go to the next module.